Can Gala really reach $1 in 2022? Let's break it down. As the crypto market continues to heat up, many traders are looking for ways to get their hands on the next big token. One token that has been getting a lot of attention lately is Gala, which was released as a digital utility token for the blockchain-based gaming platform Gala Games. So without further ado, let's see if Gala can reach $1 mark in this year of 2022. But before that, welcome back to your own channel, Crypto World, where you'll get all the crypto knowledge. And yes, do remember that this video is not financial advice, so do your own research before investing anywhere. So without any further delay, let's get started. Thanks to its growing library of games and partnerships with major game developers, Gala is well on its way to becoming the go-to platform for cryptocurrency gaming. Considering its past performance and the fact that its value has already hit the $0.8367 level, it's very likely that Gala will reach an average priced value of $1. If you are new to Gala, Gala is a new Ethereum-based gaming ecosystem by Eric Schiermeier and John Oswald. This project offers a unique way to play games and earn rewards. The project's native token, Gala cryptocurrency, is still in its early stages, but has already gained much popularity among gamers and crypto enthusiasts. Unlike other cryptocurrencies, Gala is not mined. Instead, one earns it by playing games in the Gala Games ecosystem. It's the play-to-earn model that is used here. The more you play, the more Gala tokens you earn. Gala Games executives stated that cryptocurrency and a play-to-earn system enable them to make free-to-play games profitable while giving players more control with NFT in-game assets. Gala's fundamental analysis is like, it is a decentralized gaming ecosystem that runs on the blockchain. The Gala token, the native virtual currency of the Gala network, is used to power all transactions within the ecosystem. Gala has a wide range of games designed to appeal to all types of gamers. The games on the Gala platform are provably fair and transparent, and all transaction data is stored on the blockchain. The Gala token is also used to power the Gala Marketplace, which allows gamers to buy and sell in-game items. Being an ERC20 token, Gala can be stored in any ERC20 compatible wallet. The Gala network allows users to buy, sell, or trade assets using the Gala token. Gala offers its users unique digital assets, NFTs. Before answering lots of questions that are coming in your head, let's actually see its price prediction for this year and furthermore. According to the technical analysis of Gala prices expected in 2022, the minimum cost of Gala will be $0.047. The maximum level that the Gala price can reach is $0.05199. The average trading price is expected around $0.049. Gala price forecast for September 2022. Based on the price fluctuations of Gala at the beginning of 2022, crypto experts expect the average Gala rate of $0.044 in September 2022. Its minimum and maximum prices can be expected at $0.04 and at $0.045, respectively. October 2022, Gala price forecast. Cryptocurrency experts are ready to announce their forecast for the Gala price in October 2022. The minimum trading cost might be $0.043, while the maximum might reach $0.048 during this month. On average, it is expected that the value of Gala might be around $0.046. Gala price forecast for November 2022. Crypto analysts have checked the price fluctuations of Gala in 2022 and in previous years, so the average Gala rate they predict might be around $0.047 in November 2022. It can drop to $0.045 as a minimum. The maximum value might be $0.05. December 2022, Gala price forecast. In the middle of the year 2022, the Gala price will be traded at $0.049 on average. December 2022 might also witness an increase in the Gala value to $0.05199. It is assumed that the price will not drop lower than $0.047 in December 2022. Gala price prediction 2023. After the analysis of the prices of Gala in previous years, it is assumed that in 2023, the minimum price of Gala will be around $0.06599. The maximum expected Gala price may be around $0.08099. On average, the trading price might be $0.06799 in 2023. Gala price prediction 2024. Based on the technical analysis by cryptocurrency experts regarding the prices of Gala in 2024, Gala is expected to have the following minimum and maximum prices, about $0.09399 and $0.11999, respectively. The average expected trading cost is $0.09699. Gala Price Prediction 2025. The experts in the field of cryptocurrency have analyzed the prices of Gala and their fluctuations during the previous years. It is assumed that in 2025, the minimum Gala price might drop to $0.12999, while its maximum can reach $0.15998. On average, the trading cost will be around $0.13999. Now to the questions that are in your head. Does Gala Games have a future? Given Gala creators' impressive background in the development and promotion of mobile games as well as Gala's useful P2E, play-to-earn format, we can say with a high degree of probability that the project has a great bright future. The project's founders themselves shared thoughts on their plan to take over the whole game market, not just its blockchain-powered sector. With very popular games like Town Star, Mirandus, Spider Tanks, and Echoes of Empire in the pipeline, Gala is definitely here to stay. Is Gala a good investment? There is a variety of reasons why Gala may be a good investment. First, the token is still relatively new, so there is potential for price appreciation. Second, the company behind Gala is experienced in both the gaming and blockchain industries. This gives them a unique perspective on how to use blockchain technology to create a more efficient and user-friendly experience. Third, Gala has already partnered with some major names in the gaming industry, which gives it a leg up on its competition. Finally, trends such as the increasing popularity of NFTs and crypto games suggest that there is strong demand for this type of currency. What also matters is that the Gala token has a limited supply of 50 billion tokens, which makes it a good investment. There is potential for the token to increase in value as demand grows. There are currently over 1.3 million Gala game players, and the community is expanding. Gala's team is constantly improving the Gala Games ecosystem and multiplying the number of available Gala games, which makes the Gala token seem like an awesome long-term investment with room for price growth. Also, none of the information on our channel Crypto World, including Gala price predictions, is investment advice, nor is it a replacement of advice from a certified financial planner. Most of you are still thinking if Gala is worth buying or not. So let me tell you. Overall, Gala looks like a promising token with a solid team behind it. However, as with any cryptocurrency, there are always risks involved. Whether to buy Gala or not depends on your own risk appetite. Before buying Gala or any other crypto, be sure to do your own research. Maybe talk to a financial advisor and understand the risks. So this was all for today's video. Don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video tomorrow. Until then, peace out.